Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I'm going to make a Maharashtrian trending jewelry set, so keep watching till the end. Now we need the things for the jewelry is the pearl and golden beads and crystal beads and a 0.4 mm of a golden binding wire. So follow the process. So what do you think? If you can make it? Yes, you can make it. Now enjoy the process and follow the steps. Now I'm beading the golden beads. Are you enjoying? See how I'm beading. Now I'm taking a one crystal bead and now I'm beading. Now beaded flower look like a jasmine flower. What do you say? So we have to make 8 flower for a first set of jewelry. So we made it. What do you think? It look like a jasmine flower. Now enjoy the process and follow the steps. Now take a brass wire 18 gauge and fold it by one side with the help of plier, and now take a one flower pearl flower and put it on a golden wire and start binding it and follow the same process. Now our pearl pendant have done. Now join the golden chain with the jump rings to the pendant. Are you enjoying the process? The half of our first set is ready. Yeah, it's done. Look at this. Our beautiful pearl flower long Maharashtrian necklace is ready. And then I'm going to make a Maharashtrian pearl bugdi. So we need a same material for the making of bugdi. So are you exciting? What will turn into it? Wow, see the best elegant look of bugdi. The half of the work done. Now second bugdi is also ready. Wow, Maharashtrian trending pearl bugdi is ready. Do you like it? Then drop a heart into the comment box. Now see, I'm making mang tika. It also called as the bindi in a Maharashtra. See, my first jewelry set is ready. It look a very beautiful and gorgeous necklace set. So what do you say? If you like the first set and want to buy, then DM me in the comment. Keep watching because I'm going to make a second set of jewelry. So we need the same material. So tell me in a comment which set do you like the most. Also watch my other videos uploaded on my YouTube channel and keep watching and supporting, and subscribe my channel and share the channel to your friends and relatives. Pearl flower, put it on a wire and start binding it and follow the same process for the remaining flowers. And see, our choker is ready. Maharashtrian trending choker is ready. So we can wear it on a traditional dresses, and mostly the Maharashtrian women's wear this choker on a sari and also a traditional dresses. So this is our Maharashtrian jewelry's beauty. So keep watching our channel because always I'm going with a trend, and share my channel to your friends and relatives. And if you want to buy this set, first set or second set, then you can DM me for the next further process. So choker wear with a stud earring. So this is a very beautiful pearl stud earring, and also wear both sets together. So keep watching. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.